Welcome back to another episode of Rich Tech, and in this episode I will have something new. Stay tuned. We're back, and so this package came in, and we have some cool stuff in here. I know what it is, but I want to open it up for you guys so that you can see, because it's something that I'll be reviewing soon. Must have the trusty knife, of course, pen knife. And let's go through the box. Came in from Amazon, got a few deals and some that are not really deals, but stuff that I needed, I wanted, maybe wanted, not needed. Wow, they're sealing, like, the seals are a lot harder now. The tape seems to be different. Right. Alright guys, let's see. Here it goes. Hopefully I won't bounce the tripod here. Okay. Yeah. Jeez. Okay. Wow. Okay. So the first thing, as you might be seeing, is this. So there's something written here. It's the TechWatch E2. My first waterproof smartwatch. So that's coming to a review soon. Let's see what else we have in here. What is this? Oh, right. So the Wi-Fi smart socket works with Amazon Alexa. I really wanted for, of course, Google, because I use Google. Something quite new to try out. So I would have reviewed the smart switches before, but those are the ones that are wired. This actually fits into your socket, your normal power outlet. That's something I need to review. Thank you so much, Juan. I hope that I got the name correct, from Esiku, I think is the name of the company, from Amazon. Thank you so much for this. This will be, as I said, packaged, unpackaged soon and reviewed. Oh yeah, look at the companies here: Esiku, Wi-Fi, and so yeah, we'll be checking this out soon. And if that was not all, wow. Okay, so this is the Orki fast wireless charger. Got this on a really good deal. This is normally go for 16 to 20 US. Got this for, like, I believe with a discount it was about $11 US, which is not bad, right? And they say that it's supposed to be smart. It's supposed to be smart, so we're gonna go through that. For those of you who don't know about wireless charger, this is a QI, which means key, I think, or Q. Wireless charger, which means that you just touch it onto your phone. You don't need to actually plug in anything. And last but not least, a very small. Oh, right. So this, I actually got this with the TechWatch, and as a bonus item. So it actually came in for free as I bought this. This is actually a special charger that works with the TechWatch to charge it. Now, I believe it's supposed to have a charger in here, as I suspect, but we'll have to go through the boxing and see how it goes. So guys, stay tuned for another episode of RTHD, where I actually unbox these and review it. Please like and subscribe. See you guys again soon. Thank you so much. Bye.